The capital city is one of the representative cities of the country. Today, let's look at the capital cities of the world and the reasons why they were chosen as their capital cities. Korea, Seoul. Since ancient times, Seoul was convenient for farming due to the Han River flowing in the middle of the city. That's why many countries around the Korean peninsula tried to occupy the area. In 1934, during the Joseon dynasty, the capital city moved from Gyeonggi to Seoul, which used to be called Hanyang. Since then, Seoul has become the capital city, and still, it is. Japan, Tokyo. The capital city of Japan was originally Kyoto. But through the Meiji Restoration, the samurai warriors tried to change the ruling system into a system ruled by a king and moved the capital city to Tokyo. Since then, Tokyo has become the capital city of Japan. China, Beijing. Beijing became the capital city of China around 200 BC. During the Yan dynasty, it was also regarded as the capital city, even during the Yuan dynasty and Qing dynasty. Since Beijing is in a plain with high mountains on its back, it's easy to keep off the enemy. USA, Washington, D.C. Washington is named after the country's first president, George Washington. And D.C., District of Columbia, comes from the Latin word meaning the land of Columbus, who was regarded as the first explorer to discover America. Before the capital city became Washington, D.C. In 1800, New York City and Philadelphia were both used as the country's capital cities. At that time, it was founded as a planned city in the middle of South and North America. Since then, Washington, D.C. has become the capital city of the U.S. Russia, Moscow. When the king ruled Imperial Russia, the capital city was what is now known as St. Petersburg. After the Communist Revolution, the Soviet Union moved its capital to Moscow. St. Petersburg, located near hostile countries like Finland, was vulnerable to invasions. Even after the Soviet Union was dissolved, Moscow is still regarded as the capital city. The UK, London. In 886, Alfred the Great developed the area of London. After years of prosperity, London developed into a city in 1956, while merging with surrounding suburbs. Since then, London has become the capital city of the United Kingdom. Germany, Berlin. Berlin has developed rapidly since it was chosen as the capital city in the 1700s in the Kingdom of Prussia. It became the capital city in Nazi Germany. But after the end of World War, the Second Germany was divided into West and East. At that time, Bonn was the capital of Western Germany, and East Berlin was regarded as the capital city of East Germany. With the reunification of Germany after 1990, the newly reunited Berlin became Germany's capital once again. Australia, Canberra. Sydney and Melbourne are two famous cities in Australia. When Australia decided to choose its capital city, two cities competed fiercely to represent the country. That's why Canberra has become the capital as a compromise between two cities. The project for building a new capital city was started in 1927 and completed in 1937. That's how Canberra became the capital of Australia. Canada, Ottawa. Ottawa was chosen as the capital city for similar reasons as Canberra in Australia. When the UK colonized the country, many cities such as Ontario, Toronto, and Montreal tried to become the capital city of Canada. However, Victoria, Queen of the UK, decided to choose Ottawa as the capital city of Canada to prevent further disputes between those cities. Brazil, Brasilia. The capital of Brazil used to be Rio de Janeiro, which is located near the beach in the middle of Brazil. As many immigrants settled in the region, there was no way to develop inland regions. So Brazil decided to move the capital into an inland region of Brazil. Thus, the airplane shape of the city became the capital city of Brazil.